Assalamu alaikum, students. So today we are going to learn one more topic from chapter number one, data representation, that is hexadecimal, that how to convert from hexadecimal to binary, from binary to hexadecimal, from denary to hexadecimal, and from hexadecimal to denary. Okay, and we are going to talk about why it is useful to use hexadecimal instead of binary. So, as you know, hexadecimal uses nibble. Nibble means 4 bits. That's why it is easier to represent and it takes less space as compared to binary because binary takes at least 8 bits to represent data. Okay, so hexadecimal system is very closely related to the binary system, and hexadecimal, which is also called as hex, is base 16 system and therefore needs to use 16 different digits to represent each value. Okay. From 0 to 9, it will remain same as decimal number. Okay. But as soon as 10 will be represented, 10 will become A. Okay. 11 will become B. 12 will become C. 13 will become D. 14 will become E, and 15 will become F. So from 0 to 9, it is same. As soon as 10 will come, it will be represented as A, and till 15, it will be represented in terms of letters. Okay. So first of all, we are going to see one example that how we are supposed to convert from binary to hexadecimal. For example, we have a number 101111000001. Okay, so because it uses nibble, so we are going to split all these binary numbers into 4 bits, starting from your right side. Okay, 4 bits, then 4 bits, and then 4 bits. Okay, after converting or splitting the whole binary combination into four, you know, bits or group of four, what we are going to do, we are going to write one. I'm going to use a different color so that it will be easy to recognize. 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, we will only consider those numbers having one under it. Okay, here we have one, so we are going to put down one. Again, 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 and 4, 12. 12 and 2, 14. So we are going to put down 14. Okay. Because only 8, 4, and 2 having 1 under it. 1 is having 0. So we are not going to add that. Then we have 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 2 is 10 and 1, 11. Okay. So if you can see, we have some digits which are greater than 10. So 11 will become B, 14 will become E, and then we have 1. So your answer is going to be BE1. This is your answer. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, let's see another example. 1000. Okay, then we have 111, 111, and 1. Okay, 0, 1. Again, procedure is same. We are going to divide or split all these binary numbers into 4 bit, starting from right to left. 4 bit, 4 bits, 4 bits. Now, if you can see, we are left with only one on the left side. Okay. So what you can do, you can put 4 zeros in order to make it 4 bit. Even if you are not going to put zeros, okay, that is not going to make any difference at all. All right. So now, what would be the answer? 1248. So we are going to consider 8 plus 4, 12, and 113. 1248. 8 plus 4, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 1248. This is going to be 1, and 1248. This is going to be 1 as well. Okay. So we are going to write 1, 1, 15 is F, and 13, if you can see, is D. So this is going to be 1, 1, FD. So this is the answer which we have calculated over here from binary to hexadecimal. Okay. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now we are going to convert from hexa to binary. To binary. This is very easy and very simple. You will see one example. For example, we have a number 4, 5, and 8. Okay. As I have told you that hexa uses 4-bit. So if you can see over here, A is actually 10. Okay. So what we are going to do? 1, 2, 4, 8. A is 10. So how can we make 10? 8 plus 2 is 10. Rest is 0. So this is binary for A. 1, 0, 1, 0. Then we have 5. How can we make 5? 4 plus 1, 5. Rest will be 0. So for 5, we have 0, 1, 0, 1. Then we have 4. How can we make 4? By putting 1 under 4, rest will be 0. So this is going to be 0, 1, double 0. So the complete answer is going to be 0, 1, double 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, and 1, 0, 1, 0. I hope this is clear as well. This is your complete answer. Okay. We can do another example. For example, we have BF0. Okay. For 0, you can easily write down 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. As you know, F is 15. So how can we make 15? 1, 2, 4, 8. 15 means all ones. 8 plus 4, 12, 13, 14, and 150. So this is going to be all one. B is 11. 11 means 8 plus 2, 10, and 1, 11. Rest is 0. So this is going to be B, 1, 0, double 1. So the complete combination would be 1, 0, double 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is the complete answer. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now we are going to talk about how to convert from hexa to denary. Okay. So I will take one example. We have 4, 5, and 8. Okay. As you know, hexa uses 16 as its base. So we are going to use the power of 16 over here. 16 power 0. Now we are going to increase the power of 16, 16 power 1, and 16 power 2. If you have more digits, you can increase the power by 16 power 3 as well. Okay. Now, this is a basic rule of mathematics. Anything having power 0 becomes 1. Okay. And you know that A is actually 10. If you can see over here, A is 10. So A is 10. So now 10 multiplied by the power of 16. 16 power 0 becomes 1. So this is going to be 1. Okay. Plus 5. 16 power 1 is 16 plus 4. 16 power 2 is going to be 256. So we are going to multiply it by 256. Okay. So 256 means 16 multiplied by 16. This is 16 power 2. This is going to be 256. Okay. So now when we are going to multiply 4 by 256, it will become 1024. 5 multiplied by 16, okay, it's going to be 80, and 10 multiplied by 1 is going to be 10. So when you are going to add it together, you will get the answer 1114. Okay. So that is how we can easily convert it into, from hexa to denary. Understood? This is clear, everyone. Now we are going to convert it from denary to hexa. Okay. To hexadecimal. How we can do that? For example, I have a number 98. Okay. So what I will do, I'm going to divide it by 16 because this is hexa. So we are going to divide it by 16. Okay. You can do it by converting into binary first and then splitting the whole number. Okay. I will show you how to do that. Okay. Now 16, 98 is going to be divided by 16. So 16, 1 is 16, 16 to the 32. So you have to take any number which is either equals to 98 or less than 98. Okay. So if we are going to multiply by, if I multiply 5 by 16, that is going to be 80, which is lesser. And if we are going to multiply 6 by 16, that is going to be 96. 16 multiplied by 6 is 96. So we can take this because this is lesser. If we are going to take any number above 6, it is going to produce a higher result, which is not needed. So 16 times 6 is 98, and 98 minus 96, okay? 96 minus 98 is going to be, okay, 2. So this is going to be your remainder. You are going to write the remainder on the right side. Okay. Now, we cannot divide 6 by 16. We cannot divide 6 by 16. So we are going to put over here 0 and 6 will be moved over here as a remainder. Okay. So from bottom to top, this is your answer. That is 6 and 2. This is your answer. Is that fair, everyone? I hope you must have understood everything. If you find any problem, you can comment. Okay. And definitely, you can subscribe the channel, you can share it with others. Okay. So that would be helpful for others as well. So do not forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Allah Hafiz. Take care, everyone.